Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Scribd or SlideShare subscription. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to cancel your Scribd or SlideShare subscription, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, make sure that you are on their website. And once you're on the website, also make sure to sign in to the account that has the active subscription. In my case, I'm already signed in, so I won't have to do it again. After logging in, click your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then select your account settings. And here, you'll be able to see information about your current subscription, including your billing details and renewal date. If you want to cancel your subscription, simply click the Manage Subscription button. And then there it is, guys. You will now see the Cancel Subscription button right at the bottom, so just click it. After that, Scribd may ask you why you're canceling or offer you a discount to stay subscribed. If you still want to continue with the cancellation, just keep following the prompts until you reach the final confirmation page, and then click Confirm Cancellation to finalize it. And don't worry guys, canceling your subscription won't remove your premium access immediately. You'll still be able to enjoy all of your membership benefits until your current billing period or renewal date ends. And that's it guys. Congratulations, you have successfully canceled your Scribd or SlideShare subscription. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.